If I'm wasting my time, please let me know. Don't keep me around, girl, please let me go. I don't wanna hurt you, but I don't understand what was so wrong with wanting to be your man.
Over and over I asked you what was going on with us. You consistently told me, Lulu, there is no need to rush. As I sit up looking at the four walls in my home, all I can see is you and not happy. Is that so wrong? Well, I guess it was, but you don't wanna be alone. These mixed feelings that you got is racking up in my dome. 1 minute you wanna home, next minute you all alone. Can you tell me, baby girl, am I wasting my time? Feel like a broken record over and over. I hate this feeling I got looking over my shoulder, thinking what's gonna happen next. Is it on to the next? Or you gonna ask me to stay or just push me away? As I pause for a second to gather my composure, you got the nerve to ask me to hold you. See what I mean? You don't know what you want, and all this back and forth talk, please just speak with your heart. I've done it, baby, you can do it for me. And if it's something I don't like, and I'ma get up and leave. Get my things up in a suitcase and just hit the road. But I got one request before I go.
If I'm wasting my time, please let me know. Don't keep me around, girl, please let me go. I don't wanna hurt you, but I don't understand what was so wrong with wanting to be your man. If I'm wasting my time, please let me know, 'cause I will just walk away if you tell me so. Come on now, girl, you don't gotta pretend. I can walk away now, we don't gotta be friends.
This is the last call, the last time that I'm gonna ask you this. Like Michael Jackson, this is it. You procrastinated the whole song long, and I refuse to wait any longer. So could you please tell me what's really going on? I've got my bags packed right by the door. You stop me, oh no, I gotta go. Gotta hit the streets, gotta meet and greet. Looking for my next girl, she'll be so sweet. Unique is what I really need. You've cut me so deep, I'm surprised that I'm bleeding. You've misleading, got me reading. In between the lines, got me think I'm needing. L-O-V to the I-N-G. Sorry, sweetheart, that's not you or me. Changed my frame, now it's all about me. And it's on to the next girl I call baby. Not Jay-Z, she'll get the OC. That's right, baby girl, jump on one knee. Looking at your face, I can tell that you pee. I to the double S, E to the D. That's real talking, that's what it is. 25 years old, still no kids. Wanted me a family in a house on a hill, covered up by the fireplace with a whole quilt. Too much to ask, and it really don't matter. All I hear out your mouth is chit chatter, so I'ma cut it short like an unwrote letter.
If I'm wasting my time, please let me know. Don't keep me around, girl,